What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, couple of days ago, John Prosser has completely leaked the overall redesign of the Google Pixel 6 lineup. Well guys, earlier we thought that Google is going to be launching the Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 XL, but now Google is not just changing the overall concept behind their Pixel lineup, but at the same time the naming scheme. So from now onwards, bye bye to the XL lineup and welcome to the Pro lineup. So this year we are going to be seeing the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. And guys, just after having a glance at both of the renders, we are having a clear idea regarding both of the devices. But guys, first of all, we should of course appreciate this particular move by Google, because till today all of the Pixel devices were not that much famous for all of their hardware. But with the Google Pixel 6 lineup, Google is completely changing their own technique behind their Pixel lineup. Well, first of all, let us discuss about the overall camera setup. Well guys, with the Google Pixel 6, you're talking about a dual camera setup, whereas with the Google Pixel 6 Pro, you're talking about a triple camera setup. Well guys, as if for now, with both of the devices, the primary camera and the ultra wide angle camera will be pretty much the same. But with the Google Pixel 6 Pro, you will see a 3x telephoto camera. Well guys, as if for now, there is no concrete confirmation. But if you are following all of the latest news, then this is the most likely situation. But just see, till today, Google was opting for all of the cameras as a small portion of the phone, but now they are actually embracing the camera setup. Well, now it is not just a camera module, it is a part of the smartphone. Well, literally, you're talking about an upper part completely filled with cameras. So now Google will not actually opt for a 12 megapixel sensor. Well guys, till today, Google is coming up with amazing photos and videos just with a 12 megapixel camera. But if Google is opting for such a large camera module, then definitely they are opting for higher megapixels. Well, as if for now, we are having no information that will Google opt for a 48 megapixel sensor or a 64 megapixel one. But as if for now, it is pretty much clear that with this year's Pixel 6 lineup, Google is taking the hardware game way more seriously. Well guys, now coming to the front side of the smartphone, here things get very much interesting. Well guys, from the first Google Pixel onwards, the display has not been that much deal breaker. With the first Google Pixel, you got to see thick ugly bezels. Later on came the bathtub notch. Later on came the Project Soli. And like this, now with the Google Pixel 4a and 5, finally Google is making appreciable displays. But with the Google Pixel 6 lineup, they are taking the display technology to a whole another level. Before coming to more information, here is a quick message from our today's sponsor. If you are an immigrant student coming to United States from India, then this particular application will help you a lot. Well guys, if you want to create your free bank account in United States, then you can download the Stilt application. Well guys, this is kind of a software which will handle everything for you. And now it is easier than ever before. Well guys, irrespective whether you are on OPT, you are on F1 visa, H1 visa or any other visa, then you can get loan in very easy process. Well guys, you have to submit your loan application and within 24 hours you will get the further details. Well guys, this particular app and software is very much trusted, so feel free. And I know majority amount of audience which is watching this video are planning to study abroad, and it is going to be making perfect sense. Well guys, this particular software is 100% trustworthy because there are more than 10,000 happy consumers which this software caters. So definitely go in the link in the description and you can download this software. And guys, trust me, I know my own friend who is using this particular software, and whenever you feel that now I'm having extra money, then you can easily clear off entire loan. So it is going to be very helpful if you are a student, and especially if you are an immigrant, and also you are getting a free bank account in United States. So feel free to see this particular software. So I have given their link in the description in case you're interested. And now let's get back to the video. Well, just having a look at the renders, it is pretty much clear that the display in the upcoming Pixel 6 lineup is going to be amazing. Well, first of all, the overall bezel size is way more smaller, so expect even smaller bezel than the current Google Pixel 5, which is absolutely amazing. But on the other hand, now Google is going to be placing the front camera in the exact center, so the overall looks of this smartphone from the front side are similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. But guys, trust me, this particular change is absolutely worth it. Well, on the other hand, we all know that till today all of the Pixel smartphones had their fingerprint reader at the back of the phone, but with this year's smartphone, you're talking about a in-display fingerprint reader. Well guys, overall, we all know that in this smartphone, we are talking about the Whitechapel processor, which is Google's own collaboration with Samsung. So this is going to be the first in-house chipset by Google. Also, it is going to be of 5 nanometers. So definitely, in terms of the performance, it is going to be next level. Well, we can at least take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the smartphone. Well, I don't know about you, but finally, Google has done something new, because till today, Google has done pretty much the same. Like with the Google Pixel 4a and 5, they are having pretty much the same exact camera module like the Google Pixel 4, and earlier before that, the camera system was pretty much circular. But now, finally, we are seeing an overall redesign. Well, I don't know about you, but this truly looks and feels like a 2021 flagship. And now let us discuss about the most interesting portion, and that is the Indian availability and the Indian price tag. Well guys, see, we all knew that from the first generation till the third generation, all of the Google Pixel smartphones were coming in India. But with the Google Pixel 4, Google launched the Project Soli, which was having the air gestures. But because of government limitations, they couldn't make, or they couldn't bring like this technology in India. So that was the reason this particular phone was banned in the Indian market. But later, with the Google Pixel 4a and 5 lineup, they finally came in. And same goes with this particular lineup. Well, initially, for the first 1 month, this phone will only be available in United States, and later on, Google will spread it. Well, we all know that this is Google's first step in the right flagship direction, because with the Google Pixel 4 also, it was not a total flagship. But now we are absolutely seeing a miracle. Well guys, I don't know about you, but I feel that this particular smartphone is going to be revolutionary, because now you're talking about Google's own processor, Google's own camera system, that too with advanced hardware, and overall software and hardware integration is going to be next level. And now let us discuss about the Indian price tag. Well guys, the Google Pixel 6 is expected to start at 55,000 rupees, whereas the Google Pixel 6 Pro is expected to start at 65,000 rupees. Well guys, let me know in the comment section what you feel about this kind of price tag. And guys, tomorrow it is 18th May, so it is going to be Google's I/O, in which they will launch the new Android 12 version, and at the same time few hardware products. And we are also looking forward to Google's own GPS tracker. And guys, this particular phone will come in later part of September or in the early part of October. Well guys, let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. And personally, I'm going to be trying my level best to get hands on both of the devices after the launch. So definitely consider subscribing. And guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video. And guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.